Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I want to show you guys how I made around $2,300 day trading today. Very simple, clean setup. I really love this setup today, boys. Price action this week has been probably the best PA I've ever seen in my life. But let's not quit wasting your time. Let's not quit. Anyways, let's just dive right into the trade that I took, right? You might hear a little bit of my gay homie in the back, but that's okay, right? So, really quick here. What the fuck am I? I'm in replay, but I'm at the current time. Let's go to 9:30 here. Okay, so we can see we have this unmitigated hourly imbalance above or below. I mean, Jesus, I can't talk. Okay, supported by this 4-hour. We are also in this 4-hour buy model, right? So if we look, we have accumulation zone highs up here, 4-hour gap here, and holy cannoli. I really want to see this 1-hour gap get tapped and then take something off of that. So that's really what I wanted to see today. Today was super quick, super fast. I love replay mode. But anyways, we can see we opened. Okay, we immediately ripped down. I thought that we were going to continue holding this 5-minute. We have this like 5-minute rejection block though. Nothing too crazy though. So yes, we go ahead. We're wicking. We tap into the 1-hour. We are just generating liquidity, right? Okay, now at this point, we have tapped into the 1-hour. We have swept liquidity. If we look on the hourly gap, we have wicked the whole first imbalance. And then if we also look on ES was in a fraudulent place as well. I believe this is 937. Yeah, look at this. We get a change in the state on ES as well as there isn't the inversion, but we have the SMT with the 1-hour showing the manipulation. We get our IFEG here, our highest time frame IFEG in the leg, I believe. Yeah, 1 minute IFEG here. Really was a fan of this trade, right? And then what are our high time frame DOLs? High time frame is supporting this. We're in a high time frame buy model, and then now we have good high time frame targets, right? So right here, we have data highs, right? I don't know why I don't have it marked out anymore. It is what it is, but data highs right here. Whatever, good enough. And you have a protected stop loss, right? So once you have like what you need to see out the way, right, you can't be too picky with what it looks like, right? Because I seen people fade this because whatever. Now I just took the 1-to-1 on this because the last trade that I took like this to data highs, meanwhile I was very convicted to data highs, right? The reason I didn't hold to data highs is because I just want to get my piece of the pie and get out of the market for the day. You know, I'm done. I made $2,300. I don't really need anything else, right? But you could have even held to this hourly imbalance up here, right? We have a lot of liquidity. It's very clear with this displacement, with what we're doing high time frame, with our 15-minute PO3 now showing our manipulation, and now we're getting this pre-distribution inversion to the upside with all of this low resistance liquidity leading up to data highs, leading up to a higher time frame 1-hour imbalance, okay? This trade was beautiful, okay? And you could have caught the 2RR, right? So what did I throw? I think I threw 8 on this. TP here. Bam, stop there, and then just watch this puppy ride, bro. Just ripped, just fucking ripped. Could have went break even here at the data highs. That's honestly what I should have done. Should have just TP'd here. I ended up TPing at just a 1-to-1, like I said. But now let me show you guys the P&L really fast. P&L. Okay, here's the P&L, 23.96.80 on the day. Really love this trade. Coming into the day, obviously, like I wanted to be more higher time frame bullish, right? We have this higher time frame buy model. As we see, we have these accumulation highs up here. We are still continuing to hold the 4-hour on NQ. The only thing that threw me off a little bit when we were coming into the day is ES has tapped into this 1-hour gap, so I wasn't sure if we were wanting to come lower, maybe balance, hit equilibrium of this 1-hour range here because of the SMT. We don't necessarily need this 1-hour yet. However, the high time frame buy model is presenting that we want to go take this liquidity, right? Take all these wicks, these relative equal wicks here, and then also tap this 1-hour, right? So an SMT does not create an idea, however. An SMT only supports a trade idea, right? So if the SMT doesn't support the trade idea, it's honestly just stupid. It's invalid, right? Because it's obvious that with this bullish momentum, right, we completely fill this 1-hour gap here, and then we get our inversion out of the 1-hour gap, right? After sweeping massive liquidity, if this 1-hour didn't want to hold price, it wouldn't have, right? And given the structure, right, I didn't think there would be a stop hunt. Okay, so I entered this risked 500 bucks, and yeah, I don't really have much else to say. I've been really good at making these videos super fucking short. But all my links are going to be down in the description below. If you want to use my code on Alpha Futures, go ahead. If you've been liking the videos that I've been putting out, I also have a new trading trading channel down below where I break down every day pre-market every single day for you guys. But yeah, super good week. I'm up, I think, 2 or 3 R this week. Super nice, great way to end the week. I love it. But I have a beautiful weekend, and yeah, keep doing what I'm doing. I love you guys. You guys have a good rest of your day. Peace out.